Hi, my name is Travis Robertson. I am in second period drafting, and this is the front wall mechanics to my lockbox that I am building. So these yellow keys are the correct keys to press, and they slide in and out a very specific amount. When you push it in, push all of them in, it unlocks. It allows this notch right here allows this thing to slide back and forth. And the way you make it slide back and forth is once they're all pushed in, you will turn this and rotate it to make it move left. And then instead of trying to screw it or anything, I put a little notch in here so that when you slide this, or when you put it on, this back piece will slide into there, um, which connects it to make it move or to make it stay together. Um, yeah, and if you push in any of these other keys, there is a little, it's solid, so this won't be able to move, shouldn't be able to move um, with the, yeah. So pretty simple and fun, actually. It took me a while to figure out how to do everything. Um, but we got it done. Um, and all these, it's restricted so it goes the perfect amount. This only rotates 10 degrees, so it will unlock. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it so far. The mechanics were pretty difficult to figure out, but yeah.